Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have an unboxing for you. I have the October Tribe Beauty. But before we get into that, I wanted to show you guys a few things, and then I wanted to ask you guys a couple of questions. So we went paint shopping for the spare room, which is going to be transformed into my studio, or whatever you want to call it, makeup room. Anyway, we decided to go with this lighter purple color, and I'm doing it in a gloss. So hopefully by the end of this month, well, I don't know, maybe not this month. This month's kind of super busy. Maybe by the end of November, I will be in that studio. Also, I was wondering how you guys prefer, like right now I'm uploading a video once a day. I'm fine with doing that. Sometimes I'll skip Sundays. There are some days where I put 2 videos up, you know, if I get my BoxyCharm or my Ipsy, or well, not my Ipsy, but my Ipsy Plus. If I get those, then I'll do a second video of the day. And I know that that's kind of a little too much. I don't prefer to throw 2 videos up in a day. I do feel like that's a lot. But I was thinking about scaling back another day. So like not putting up a video 2 days a week. And I was just wondering, are you guys okay with that? Is there a day that you would prefer that I skip? Should I do like 2 days back? Since right now I'm sometimes skip Sundays. Should I also skip Mondays, or should I skip Tuesdays, or should I skip Wednesdays? I don't know. Or are you guys just absolutely fine with me uploading 6 or 7 days a week? I am trying to cut back on, and I am going to cut back on when I do the 2 videos a day. If I know that I'm getting my BoxyCharm that day, or if I'm getting my Ipsy that day, I won't upload at noon, and I will just wait and upload at 6 p.m. that day. But so that way I am getting at least 1 video up a day, but I don't want to do 2 videos a day anymore on those days. Just, I don't know, it's just too much. It's too much. And so I don't know. Okay, so again, I know I'm kind of reeling here, but so the question is, should I scale back and leave another day open that I don't upload? Or should I just not upload more consistently on Sundays? Because right now it's, I think, like roughly 2 Sundays a month that I'm not putting something up. Should I just stop putting stuff up altogether on Sundays? And then another question that I have, I know these are a lot of questions, I'm sorry, but would you guys prefer that I combine a couple of boxes? And if so, what boxes do you want me to combine? I was just about to say I'll give you a list of the boxes that I do, but I don't know if that even matters, or of course I don't even remember, but I don't know. Just let me know and I can figure it out. If you guys would prefer that I combine boxes, or I don't know. See, I prefer just keeping 1 video per box and keeping that video around 10 minutes long. Sometimes it's under, sometimes it's over, but it's generally around 10 minutes. I felt, or I feel like that is a kind of like a good time span sort of a thing. And if I opened 2 boxes, then that would double the length of time of the video. I don't know if that's something you guys are interested in. I don't know. Let me know all of the answers to all of the questions. Let's get into Tribe Beauty. Do I know how much this costs? Nope, surely I do not, but let's get into it. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And I will be glad to get into the new studio because there will be better lighting, professional lighting. And of course, you know, it's rolling into October here, so my lighting my lighting's horrible right now just because it's rainy out and there's no sun coming in. I actually don't even know where my extra light is right now. I think my son stole it. But anyway, let's get into this. So the first thing I am pulling out, I don't see a paper or anything that tells me how much this stuff is, but the first thing I am pulling out is a pair of lashes. And those are really pretty, but I do not wear lashes, so this will go toward a giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out here is No Mustache. 12 hypoallergenic waxing strips for the face. That's interesting. So, I don't know. Portable hair removal kit. I mean, I don't have a hairy face. I don't know. I'll see if my daughter has darker hair. So I'll see if this is something maybe she's interested in. I am really sorry about my lighting, you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is by Wander Beauty Lip Setter Dual Lipstick and Liner. Okay, so it looks like this. Now, I'm not a huge fan of Wander Beauty. I know that there are some people that are. Let's take a peek. I'm not going to swatch it because I will pass this along. That is a pretty color. It's on the darker side of nude. I am so sorry about my lighting. It's on the darker side of nude, so it's pretty. I think the packaging's really pretty. And then the lip color. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, but I will pass that along. The next thing I am pulling out here is Prime by Mirabella. Prime for face. Okay, so it's a primer. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it's just a primer. Okay, and I will pass that along. Oh, also real quick, I got this in Bombay and Cedar. It's gross. Just to let you know. It's gross. I brought that up here for my lunch and I took one bite of it and I did not care for it. All right, so I am not seeing a little pamphlet or whatever, but the next thing I'm pulling out is this. I'm not sure what this is. What is this? And if I remember correctly, oh, I have one of these. Okay, so I will actually, this is by Kaylin, and I will actually have one of these, and it's just a little face exfoliator. And I have one in blue. I don't even remember where I got it, but I will just pass this along. It's a really nice face exfoliator. I enjoy it. And then the last thing I am pulling out is this Saffron palette by Suva Beauty. And we will take a peek at it. I remembered that I was able to pick this, I think. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty packaging. And then we open it up, and this is what we see on the inside. I am not going to swatch those, but those are really pretty. And this palette is going to be a maybe for me. I don't know. I know that I picked it because I don't think I have anything like this color in my collection. I might in the Ruby Obsessions. I might. But both of those, well, I mean, it's a really pretty fall palette, I think, but these two colors especially. So I will actually look in my collection, and if I do have something like this in my collection, I will pass this along. If I don't, then I'll keep it. So that is Try Beauty. Now, I do think that this was a good box, even though I am passing most of the things along into the giveaway. I still think it's a good box. I mean, just because I'm still happy with everything that I got, so I'll fix that later. I am happy with everything that I got, but I mean, I'm not mad at it or anything, so. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.